are we now?
Everybody. We are at the Colala in Fanabe, and we've stopped off to have some tapas. So that's the tapas menu. Before 6 o'clock, you can either have 7 for €29.95, or you can have 12 for 46 euros.
These are half measures, aren't
they?
they?
The half size to what's in the main menu. You get 2 glasses of sangria with that.
Yep.
But after 6, you can order whatever you want off here, but you pay the prices.
That's what we're doing. Isn't it?
So that's what we're doing, because we're not over hungry, but we wanted tapas. So.
We've been here 3 days and we haven't had garlic prawns yet, have we?
No, we've failed on that one as well, haven't we?
Yeah. We've got some nice food so far.
Yeah, we are.
But, this is tapas night, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And you can see the sea. This is where it is, just here. Look, you're opposite the. What's that restaurant there? Well, you got Soul Sun there, haven't you? Soul Sun there, Soul Sun Beach.
Is it called a filet?
Filet. There's something filet.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Oh, we're here. Look.
Could we have?
You like to have 7 tapas?
It's after 6, so
Okay.
he said we could pick whatever we
problem.
wanted off
Yeah,
it.
So the waiter just took the order. He was so friendly, wasn't he?
He is, they're lovely here. We've,
So
we've eaten
friendly.
here before, haven't we? So,
Yeah, he said, lovely jubbly.
yeah.
Someone's stealing the cutlery, so I had to get some more cutlery. Yeah, so we're going for the 7 tapas
Yep. Bread.
with bread and alioli.
Yeah, that's it.
Not
2
areola,
pints.
like I call it.
I know, yeah.
I'm a tit, aren't I?
Oh, yeah. He gets excited with that one.
Oh, back to you.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
He's having a funny moment today. Yeah, so we'll show you the bill later, what it actually was and what the difference would have been ordering the 7 off the main menu.
And it's took the menu, so we need to remember what we've had.
Well, yeah, well, we'll show him in a minute.
So friendly. We've been here a couple of times before.
Yeah, the Chateaubriand is to die
We've had the
for.
Chateaubriand before, and
It
we've had the
was
paella.
beautiful. Yeah,
Paella,
beautiful.
we've had the paella here before.
Beautiful.
We just fancied a couple of tapas, because we're not really hungry.
No.
I'm going out later with a friend, aren't I?
Yeah. Gonna see my friend.
Hopefully Dina's friend's going to come down and see her, but she's resting tonight, aren't you?
Yeah.
So we come out, a few, but I say we're not hungry, you're going to get 7 tapas, so it's going to fill us up, isn't it? We're going to go back, well, stinking of garlic,
Good.
but with a smile on our faces.
It's good for you, garlic is.
So they say it's not good for the person you're kissing then.
Right, so we have camembert, baby squid, obviously canary and potatoes, barbecue chicken, chorizo, garlic mushrooms and garlic prawns. And this is the mojo and alioli.
So we did say we weren't that hungry, didn't we?
Yeah.
These are just half measures, remember,
These are
guys?
half measures of the
Blimey.
Colala, so you can imagine what the full portion sizes are.
Let's get it at. This is a good sign. Only thing we've left is the bones. What do you reckon?
Fabulous. It's always, isn't it? Lovely.
That's 7 tapas, 2 breads, just enough. Don't feel stodged. What was your favourite bit?
All of it.
What was your worst bit?
None of it.
When it disappeared?
Yeah, when we get it.
Honey rum.
Honey rum, yum.
Even though we came after 6 to 2 to give us a deal, didn't they? 7
Yeah.
tapas deal, which was
Yeah,
really, that was
still
really
to give
nice of
them.
them. Look at that. So we got the meal, the deal, $29.95 for 7. It's 2 beers and 2 of the aliolas. Less than €45. Now what is that?
Bargain.
And we all love a bargain, don't we?
Of course we do.
We'll go for a walk after here and let you know all about it. See you in a bit, guys. Look at the view. Oops. Look at that, guys. Perfect meal at the Colala, ended with a perfect view. Look at the colours in that sky. Beautiful. So that was the Colala.
It was.
Beautiful food. Just a side note, that bill doesn't include tax. Where are you going, that way? Doesn't include tax, which is 7% on the Canary Islands, but it's 21% on mainland Spain. I've done my research, but we're given 50 because the service, the guy who served us, he made us laugh. He was like a comedian.
Everybody did.
All the servers were good, but even the servers were like a comedian. Brilliant. And the guy that guides you in is not too pushy. He says he waited for us to have a look at the tapas. He knew what we wanted, so make sure you ask for the tapas menu. And then he gave us the main one, but we knew which one we wanted, the deal one. And they even charged us the 7 tapas deal. I think I told you that earlier.
Yeah. Even though it was after 6.
Even though it was after 6. We didn't get the glasses of sangria, but we had beers anyway, so that was ideal. All done perfect. So that's this vlog over here, guys. Get yourself down to the Colala. And just down the path there, you've got that. Hope you enjoy the vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notifications. Don't forget your job.
Like this video and give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Beautiful. Catch you later, guys. See you on the next one.
Bye.